Hello everyone, this is Eric. Welcome to Alteryx at Line. Today we are going to have a look at Alteryx Weekly Challenge number 206, Hotel Reservations. Let's start with the challenge background. Okay, Alteryx Weekly Challenge 206, calculate the average hotel stay and count the number of hotel reservation IDs for all hotel reservations that were not cancelled and at least 1 day in length. Okay, let's have a look at the data input. So we have been given a list of the information: reservation ID, year, month, week number, and the date of the month, reservation status, checkout, and then the reservation status date. So that's the checkout date. Okay, so the output is we want to know for which month, the average length of stay, and the number of reservations. Okay, I have already done the workflow, but I will show you how we can do this together. Okay, so first of all, let me add a select tool. Because by looking at those information, we can see those dates are actually strings. So I need to change that to date first, and then let me add a formula too. Okay, so what we want to do now is let me add a browse. Okay, we need to combine some of the fields to get the arrival date. So I will create a arrival date, and this arrival date equals excuse me, arrival date year plus dash plus month plus dash plus date of the month. Okay, and you can see the data preview. This is the date, but we want to convert this into Alteryx format. I'll do date time parse. So this is our date, and then this is actually in the format of percentage big Y, percentage fully spelled out month, and percentage the small d. Okay, let me close this. Let me change this to date. Run this. Okay, now you can see we've got the arrival date. And then what we can do now is we do another calculation. We call it stay length, which is the time difference between the reservation status date and arrival date in days format. This is going to be integer. Okay, I've got the length of the date. And then we do a filter. We want to filter out reservation status does not equal cancel. And we also want to make sure that the stay length is bigger, is more or equals to 1. So I'll do an add, and then time difference, the time difference. Status date, arrival date in days format greater or equal to 1. Okay, so we've got all the information, and then let me do a summarize tool. So because the output is for which month, average length of stay and number of reservations. So we can do arrival month, group by month, and then stay length, we do numeric average, and then we do a reservation ID count. Okay. So now we have month, average day of length, and count. And let me compare this. Even though they are not having the same header, but same records and same numbers. So this is the end of this challenge. In Lion, we can apply this workflow to calculate the monthly average sales for a specific product, and we can do a dashboard on top of the final output file. So we can tell, okay, so for milk one, for the month of April, how many bottles has been sold, and or average across different states or different stores for different weeks. Okay, so this is the end of the session. Thank you very much.